To use them is very simple. You're going to step forward, put your foot down, step forward, put your foot down. All this is doing is creating holes in the ground and aerating the yard. I'll come back afterwards and also throw some seed. It's super simple, super easy. Okay, so to assemble these, you're going to take your spike, put it in the bottom of the shoe. You're going to take the peg and push that right into place. Each shoe has this adjustment slide on it, so you can widen those for your feet or put them narrower, and then locking mechanisms for your foot, the top of the foot and the ankle. Aerator shoes. Save a bunch of time working in the yard now. No more walking around with the stick and poking it in the ground. Now we're going to use our feet. What's in the box? 2x aerator shoes. Both have 27 nails on each side, and your user manual. The user manual is going to say, put these on your feet and walk around your yard. Pull these out. Oh, I have to assemble the